Hello everybody, this is Dr.G.P.Sudhakar, Professor of Management from India. Right, in this specific video, I am going to explain you what are the different organization structures. What are the different organization structures? See, in any business organization, you might have heard different types of organization structures in the industries, right? For example, functional organization structure, project-oriented organization structure, matrix organization structure, product-oriented organization structure, geography-based organization structure, time zone-based organization structure. So, like this, you might have had different organization structures being followed by different organizations, business organizations across the industries in the world, right? See, basically, why an organization is structured because to manage the complexity inside the organization, to manage the complexity of the organization, right? When we are hitting a bigger goal, huge task, it is better to organize it in a structured fashion. In a structured fashion, right? To manage the complexity, yeah, an organization is structured. To manage the complexity, an organization is structured. Organization structure indicates the chain of command, the chain of command inside the organization, the span of control. Span of control is horizontal, chain of command is vertical. Span of control is horizontal. How many number of people are reporting to a manager? That is the span of control. Whereas chain of command is the vertical, right? Who reports to whom? So an organization structure, it gives both the chain of command and also span of control for us. For us, right? By seeing an organization structure, we can say that who is reporting to whom and how many people are reporting to a specific manager. We can tell, right? And also, it is who has the authority inside the organization, who is having the more authority inside the organization also is evident by seeing the organization structure. By seeing the organization structure. Right. Now let's move on and learn about each one of the organization structures. See, we discussed, right? Functional organization structure, project-oriented organization structure, matrix organization structure, product-oriented organization structure, geography-based organization structure, and time zone based organization structure, right? So we will see each one of them, wherever possible we will see also an example, industry example, right? See, first one is the functional oriented organization structure. Functional oriented organization structure. See, in this type of organization structure, for example, a CEO is there, right? Under him the function heads will be there. Function heads means HR head, marketing head, operations head, production head, engineering head, IT head, finance head. Like this, all the functional heads will be reporting to the CEO, right? An employee will report directly to the function head or the functional manager inside the organization, right? That means each employee will have only one boss inside the organization. He will be reporting to only one person in the organization structure, right? That is about the functional organization structure, right? For example, take Kmart. Kmart, it can have, functional oriented organization structure. Kmart, if you see, it has, HR function, marketing function, marketing function head, finance function head, operations function head. Like this, a Kmart is, structured in a functional oriented organization structure. Right. Now let's move on and learn about project oriented organization structure. Project oriented organization structure. See, basically, in project-oriented organization structure, to CEO directly the project managers, project manager 1, project manager 2, project manager 3, all these project managers report to the CEO directly. There won't be any functional heads in the middle. Right, all project managers directly report to the CEO, and the team members, they report to the project manager. They report to the project manager. In this type of project-oriented organization structure, project manager is having the maximum authority. Maximum authority. Right. So each team member reports directly to the project manager. He is the whole and soul. He handles the recruitment, all the functions. Project manager, including finance function also for that specific project. Right. Project manager. Right. For example, take SAP. SAP is an organization. SAP, if they follow project-oriented organization structure, for example, there will be a project manager for invoicing the SAP module, invoicing SAP module, for project manager for production, project manager for manufacturing, project manager for project systems. Like this, an SAP project can have a project-based organization structure in their organization, right? That is about project oriented organization structure, right? Now let's move on and learn about matrix oriented organization structure. Matrix oriented organization structure. In matrix oriented organization structure, for example, CEO is there. Under him, functional heads will be there. HR head, finance head, marketing head, operations head, like that. Different business functions heads will be there. And here there will be project manager one, project manager two, project manager three. It will be like a matrix. Intersection of the lines, team member from different business functions, HR function, finance function, operations function, like this. Different team members will form a team under the project manager, specific project manager, and each team member reports to two people. One is to the functional head, and also one is to the project manager. They have to report to the two people in a matrix-oriented organization structure. For example, take Wipro. Wipro, for example, they have verticals, right? Telecom is one vertical, BFSI, banking and financial services and insurance, one vertical. Similarly, utilities is one vertical, open markets is one vertical. If they have, like this vertical, and the project managers will be there. Project managers. Like this, it is a functional organization structure. Each team member has to report to the project manager and also to the function head. Right. Wipro follows matrix-oriented organization structure. Now let's move on and learn about product-oriented organization structure. Product-oriented organization structure. See, basically, in product-oriented organization structure, under the CEO, each product head will be there. Product head, product one head, product two head, product three head. All these product heads will be reporting to the CEO. And under each product will have its own HR function, marketing function, finance function, and operate. Each product will have its own HR function, marketing function, finance function. Like this, each under each product there will be again functions. Again, business functions, function managers will be there. That is under the product head, right? For example, this kind of product-oriented organization structure. Take an example of, Procter and Gamble. Procter and Gamble. What are the example products of Procter and Gamble? Tide. For example, product head for Tide, product head for Duracell, product head for Gillette, product head for Pampers, product head for all other products of Procter and Gamble. Like this, each product can have its own head. They all are reporting to the CEO. That is nothing but the product-oriented organization structure. Each product will have its own HR function, marketing function, other. Right? That is about product-oriented organization structure. Now let's move on and learn about geography-based organization structure. Geography-based organization structure, for example, an organization take like Infosys. Infosys is an IT services company, right? Infosys organization structure, if you say, Infosys Americas, Infosys Europe, Infosys Africa, Infosys Asia, Infosys Australia and New Zealand. Australia and New Zealand. See, an organization is, when they are doing global operations, it is, structured like, geography based, geography based accounting, they will have geography based finance function, they will have geography based recruitments, they will have. That is nothing but the geography based organization structure. Next one is the time zone based organization structure. Time zone based organization structure, for example, there is a manufacturing process or which one step takes place in one country, another step takes place in another country. For example, software services. Some parts are done in one country, some parts are done in another time zone. Then in that kind of scenario, they can have time zone based organization structure. For example, one organization structure for Eastern Standard Time, one organization structure for Indian Standard Time, another organization structure for Pacific Standard Time. Like that, they can have an organization structure, right? Thank you. Thank you, everybody.